In this video, I want to show you how you can withdraw very fast, and I will be demonstrating a live withdrawal from this particular app that is all about playing games. As you can see, these are the figures money I have accumulated, and I want to withdraw that in front of you. All right, so I will start by withdrawing the first 50 cent, second 50 cent. I've done the first one. As you can see, 50 cents added to my balance, right? I've done the second one, 50 cents added to my balance again, 50 cents added to my balance again. Note, all these I'm doing are games that I've played and points that I've accumulated that rose up to become money. And now I'm adding it to my balance so that I can withdraw it. Hey guys, if you want to know how I did this, I will show you at the end of this video. And then I will also show you how you can earn faster, the trick you can use. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you can see, this is my balance, the $10.59. And as you can see, I can withdraw it here using PayPal. So guys, let me show you how to do this. I will leave the link for you to sign up in the description or in the comment section. Go there and sign up and start playing games. Now, for you to actually earn from this website, or for this app rather, you have to play games and accumulate points. Now I'm just going to show you a short way, right? This is a very short way. When you go to the back end, there are places that would show you tasks you need to complete. The first one is play 10 games. The second one is for you to manage 100 food, get 2 hearts, and then the last one, stay in the app for like 30 minutes. And then you're going to accumulate some point, and that point is going to rise up to give you 50 cents. Trust me guys, this is something that you can get in a day, right? And you can place withdrawal. So let me show you how to play. Now when you click on that button I just click on just now, you click on start. These are ways that you can earn hearts. So from this point, you just rotate this wheel. When it rotates, you see your heart is going to grow up to like 5 hearts. That is it. There's percentage there. So when that percentage grows to like 100%, they will just give you 5 hearts. Then when you have 5 hearts, you can have it like twice. Then you know you've reached a particular threshold, and it will be ticked that you've accumulated 5 hearts, and then you need to go to the next level. Now this is 5, and look at the percentage there, 20 something. But immediately it gets to 100, you will be accumulated point ASAP. All right, it is very easy. So let's check the criteria we need to withdraw. As you can see, we've already accumulated what, 5 hearts here. So now I'm going to pause this place here, this game, and meet these criteria, and then I'll come back and show you what I have accumulated. All right, so let's pause it now. All right guys, a few moments later, this is my result. I've been able to this is what I want to do now. A few moments later, this list I'm highlighting for you, this is where we have the hearts that needs to be completed. Now I need to end this 50 cents. All right, for me to end it, this is what I need to meet: 10 games, match 300 food, complete 2 heart tags, and then stay on the app for 30 minutes. I repeat again. So I have done that now, and I have to start claiming. This is the first 50 cents I'm claiming. I'm claiming this. After claiming the first 50 cents, it's going to read for you to say, okay, congratulations, you got 20 hearts. Now these are the tasks that I've done. Remember I said play 10 games, match 300 hearts, and then stay in the app for 30 minutes. I also get 2 hearts. So I have done that. I am claiming everything now. So everything I claim now is going to be giving me points upon points upon points. So this point now is what is going to enable me to get some stars, and that stars, when I claim it, is what is going to enable me to get my 50 cents. As you can see, I just claimed the stars, right? So I have up to 160,000 stars. Now let me show you a simple way to even earn more. All right, there's what we call lottery. Just spin for lottery. So when you have more stars, you can spin for lottery. So I just spin for the first one. They gave me 1 love, right? I'm going to spin. Per spin is 50,000 stars, which I have 160,000 stars. So I can spin for like 3 times. So I'm spinning again to see what they are going to give to me. All right, I won 100 apple. This is very interesting. All right, so I'm going to spin for the last time because I have 60,000 coins plus there. So let me spin for last time and see what I'm going to win. Wow, I won 10 cents. All right, this 10 cents is going to be added to my balance, and you can withdraw it, right? So instead of playing games that you don't earn, this is the one that you can play and earn. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like this video so that it will go far to more people. And remember guys, for you to sign up, you have to join my community. Check the comment section so that you have more updates on how to make money online. Now let's see what I have accumulated. As you can see, for the games I have played so far, I have 50 cents there. 50 cents, 50 cents, the one showing green. Those are the points that I know I can withdraw, right? So I want to start withdrawing this figure in front of you. Now if I hit on it like this, now it has been added to my balance. 50 cents has been added to my balance. Now another 50 cents, making it $1 now, has been added to my balance. Another one, $1.50 has been added to my balance. Another one, $1.50. Hey guys, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, like it so that more people will see this video. Watch those that wants to make money online. Now let's go to the part that I know you're waiting for, which is the withdrawal. I know I said I'm going to show you how to withdraw at the end of the video. So I have up to $10. I'm going to select $10 and hit withdraw now, and it's going to go to my PayPal account. But when you hit withdraw now for the first time, it's going to ask you to boost it. Yes, when I click on start boosting, it's going to boost and give me $16. But it's not just going to give me $16 directly. It's going to ask me to do some little tax that will give me that $16. All right. So whether you do the tax or not, you can still withdraw. But I'm going to do the tax, right? I'm going to do it. So as you can see, it has asked me to refer like one friend and then merge like 100 hearts in a space of these hours, few hours, as you can see there. And then when I'm done with that tax, I will come back and hit submit, right? And the money is going to drop in my PayPal account. But let me show you another way you can withdraw. See this place that there's coins here, 1980. You can click on it. Look at it, you can withdraw 19 cents. All right, just hit withdraw and let's see how it goes. As you can see, success, expect it in 10 minutes, within 24 hours. So let's see if it's going to drop directly to my PayPal account. Okay, I'm waiting. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to slide down now. All right, I just slide down. As you can see, this is it here. It has already dropped to my PayPal account. This is purely proof. As you can see, Hong Kong, whatever. This is a 19 cent. It is very fast, ASAP, right? It came to my PayPal account, which you can see here, and I can see the live withdrawal here. All right, guys, go ahead and sign up for this app, and then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also join my community for more updates like this. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.